Okay guys, this video is a collaboration video with Card Mechanic, and in this video I'm going to show you a card trick which is completely self-working. But if you don't know the real theory behind this card trick, it won't be very easy to figure out how this card trick is done. So basically, let me show you the card trick at first. I have this entire deck of cards which is completely mixed up, right? And at this point I don't really care about this the mixing up of the deck, because I'm going to hand this deck over to the spectator, and the spectator can shuffle these cards, mix them up as many times as they want until and unless they are happy. And after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give instructions to the spectator, and he or she is going to completely follow the instructions. So at this point I'm going to ask the spectator to divide the deck into 3 equal packets. So they divide the deck into more or less 3 equal packets, just like that. And after that I'm going to ask them to take one of these packets and then shuffle that packet, and the spectator shuffles this packet, and then I'm going to ask them to take a look at the top card, but without showing you or without showing me. So the spectator takes a look at the top card, which is the 9 of clubs, and then he turns it back and keeps it on top of that packet. Now you're going to ask them to take that packet, turn it face up and drop it on top of one of these packets, and then take one of the face down packet, the last one that is left, and put it on top of the other 2 packets so that it completes up to an entire deck. Now you're going to ask your spectator to do a riffle shuffle. So the spectator does a riffle shuffle just like that. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to take this deck of cards and you are just going to show to your spectator that these cards are shuffled by them, and they're shuffled face up and face down. So as you can see that the spectator has shuffled these cards like face up and face down. So their card could be anywhere, and it could be either face up or face down at this point. But in order to find it out, what you're going to do is nothing sneaky. You're just going to spread these cards haphazardly all around the table, and then what you're going to do is basically you are going to try to sense and feel where their card could be present. So I'm going to use both of my hands in order to figure out the exact position of the card. I don't feel that these are the cards where their card exists, so I'll just move them away. And I don't even feel that these are the cards that could be the spectator's card or even this. So I'll just come over here, and I feel like the face-up cards that are over here, even these are not the spectator cards. So I feel that this card should be the spectator's playing card. Let me see. The spectator's card was the 9 of clubs, and it is the 9 of clubs. So I saw this 8 and I was going to say 8 of clubs, but anyways, it was the 9 of clubs, and we found it out. So that's how the trick looks like. And this trick consists of 2 parts. One is a self-working part where you're actually going to spot the location of the spectator's card, and the second part is the ending part, for which you need a little bit of sleight of hand, which is card culling. So of course, after spotting the card inside the deck, you'll just have to cull the card to the bottom and then spread all of the cards, but keep a track of the bottom card, and then just with some kind of gestures and stupid nonsense stuff, you are going to take out this card and show it to the spectator. It will be their card 100%, but for that you have to spot this card, which is the real secret and the real theory working behind this trick. And that theory will be discussed by Card Mechanic, and he's also going to discuss this ending stuff, how I did this in details. And so the link to his video will be given in the description. So if you really like this trick and you want to learn it, make sure you go and watch his video. And that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Peace.